Well, I think Harsh, look, lots more can be done. All right. And I'm excited about the entry of Tesla because whatever it may be, at least Tesla has made a name for itself. So it happens to be a great vehicle, which is, hey, electric, right? He only focused on electric vehicles. And today I find it most interesting when a lot of the traditional car companies or the heritage car companies actually say, hey, now we have a product and we are going to compete with Tesla. It's a 18-year story on Tesla, right? So, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So, I think there is a lot more that can be done, but I think the entry of Tesla will definitely create a nice noise around EVs. I personally know a lot of my peers who want to buy electric vehicles, who are looking forward to Tesla. Um, only thing was, like you said, what can be done. So I personally remember that, now you're going to see a lot of high-end cars come into electric. Let's talk about cars for 1 minute, right? And then we'll go by the segments. And I think what the government can really do and help is let them import about 2,000, 3,000, maybe even 5,000 cars without any import duty, like is applicable on a complete built, ICE vehicle. Let them test out the market. I know personally people who would have bought the EQC had it not been for 1 crore rupees, right? And or some of these, and now you have the Jaguar I-Pace, the Audi e-tron, the Porsche Taycan. All of these want to come in. So I think the first step is let the government have a policy that all of these guys, let them import 3,000 to 5,000 cars in India without any import duty, and let them build the market. So that's going to definitely, create a lot of excitement towards the EV. I think the other thing where, when we come to the lower part of the segment, which is extremely important, and if you see that 75% of the vehicles in India sold are financed, I think the figure is almost close to 80%. And today, when it comes to three-wheelers, two-wheelers, etc., there is hardly any finance available. And what is available is at exorbitant rates, right? But there is a catch-22 here. I spoke personally to a lot of financiers, and what I realized is it's not only their fault. What they are saying, and which is a genuine concern for them, is that every EV we see is similar to the other in the sense it's, all that Chinese stuff, which is assembled in India. Where is the reliability of the product? Where is the reliability of the battery? So, for example, a three-wheeler guy, if his battery is not reliable, maybe after 1 year, if the battery goes down, he doesn't change the battery because he's recovered the cost of the vehicle or something like that. So, but the financer loses. So what we need to do is we need to build reliable vehicles which last X time so that finance may be made available for that at a lower rate. Having said that, the government can also mandate a priority sector lending or a lower rate of interest for EVs for financing. Because today, I mean, it's up to 24, 26, 28%. That's very high compared to traditional ICE vehicles. Of course, there is no resale value established yet and all that. But still, even if I was to finance for 3 years, why would I do it if I know the vehicle is not going to last? Right?
Absolutely.
I think the other thing the government can definitely do, and that is mandating fleet deliveries on EV. When I was in Amsterdam last and I ordered a Domino's pizza, the guy came in a Tesla. All right. Now, okay, there the prices are higher and everything, but come on, here, why can't we have the same Domino's, same Pizza Huts? And I'm not singling out anybody here. All of them are using BS2, BS3, the lowest cost bikes are being used second hand, third hand for deliveries, causing even more pollution. I think the government, especially in cities, should just mandate you want to deliver, it's on EVs or you don't deliver. I think, it's a carrot and stick policy, and here it has to be stick. So I think finance and mandating these with the entry and the allowance of certain amount of vehicles without duty, which are made abroad, is going to go a long way in EV penetration and creating that excitement.